What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if QR code scanner is not working in HyperOS. So first of all, tap and hold on the camera app. Now tap on this information icon and then here tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after force stopping the camera app, it will fix the QR code scanning issue. But if you are still facing the same issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now tap on about phone and here tap on the software version. Now from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update the software to the latest version. And after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the QR code scanning issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then open the camera app. Tap on this drop down arrow to open this menu and then tap on this settings icon. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after resetting the camera settings back to default, the QR code scanner will start working. So that's how you can fix if the QR code scanner is not working in HyperOS. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.